hot shit. You gonna go 10s today?
Oh no.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Look for my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection. I summon it down because.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Look who's here. Ken Dog in the flesh. Everyone's been looking for you. Where you been? Signing autographs, taking pictures?
Drinking Starbucks.
Drinking Starbucks, of course. So, we're actually headed to a private track rental. No, my car is not on a trailer behind us because my car's in a bunch of pieces. Hopefully that'll be changed soon. But a couple local guys want to do a track rental today. So, I know Branson's going to be out there. So, we're going to try and get some video on his twin turbo Mustang. RPG engine. Enrique's coming out with his truck. I think he just, I don't think he upgraded the whole entire motor. I think he just did like a new cam and stuff. So we'll catch up with Enrique, and I think Chris is bringing his Fox body. I'm not sure. I know Justin Carpenter's bringing his Fox body. He's running late, of course.
I'm bringing my Fox body.
Kennedy's bringing her Fox body. Joe's not bringing his Fox body. But yeah, so we'll update you guys. We're almost there at the track, and we'll see who's out there, see if we can get some good times. Branson has said he's gonna run an 8-second quarter mile today, which his car should run 8s. The problem is it's all stock drivetrain, like stock axles, stock drive shaft. It's actually my old axles now, and a stock transmission. So the problem is when his car does hook up, it's probably gonna break something, but we'll see. We'll see how fast he can go. Obviously his car has the power to go 8s, it's just he needs to be able to leave harder, but he says he's gonna run an 8, and we got a little bet going on the side. So they might have to let Kennedy drive because she's lighter.
I'll run 8.
Kennedy will run 8s all day. So we'll catch up with you guys when we get to the track. Fox body. This is a real street car. Look at that. You got stock seats in there. So it's a single turbo E85 car. Man, that's a real street car. Look at the seats.
Yeah.
That's a real street car.
Radio.
Don't you have subs in there too?
I took it out.
That's a real street car right there. Hey, what motor's in it?
347 still.
347? Single turbo, right?
Single turbo.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
We still stand for now.
John, what are you running today? You running the truck today?
Mostly my mouth is really what it's gonna be.
That's how you can be fast.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know. My keyboard fingers and see how things go. So
I don't know where Enrique is at. Probably taking naps or something. Kennedy, where's your new lens, dude? Kennedy got a sweet new lens. John, when's your car coming out?
I gotta find a turbo or two.
People need the content.
Some old like 90s just underpowered V6, low compression.
Don't believe him. He's down talking it right now. It's full on race car. Kennedy with the new lens. Look at the heat.
Ooh.
Jeez. The aperture.
Twins.
Ooh, wow, you
Kind
got
of.
Yeah, she got the fancy stuff. Say like, Branson, show the hat. Look at it. Hey! Shout out TJ Motorsports. Branson, I already told her when you're going 8s, so
That's fine.
you have to go 8s.
Yeah, 18s.
Hey, what's the DA right now? It's like 4,000 maybe? Can't be too bad. Well, for Amarillo.
Is what I know.
Yeah, it's windy, of course. Let's see this guy do a huge wheelie. He's sweet. Nope, maybe not. What's the DA? Gotta look at the ad.
4,400.
4,400. He needs an alignment. Branson has showed up, people. Shout out Will, RPG. So, no trans brake today. No trans brake today, right, Branson?
Sorry?
No trans brake today?
No.
We're only foot braking to save the axles, so. He's gonna turn the 2-step down. He's a little nervous right now. If he foot brakes it, it shouldn't break. It'll be alright. So Chris just ran. I couldn't get a video of it, but look at John in the 777 Performance hoodie. These are nice.
John Lawson puts something together every now and then.
Nice hoodie. Look at that. Look at that big old snail there.
We're gonna get.
Chris is going to give it all the boost today.
We're gonna get 25. 25. That's all. I think all I'm gonna do is 25 today.
What is it? Just built bottom end?
It's a dart block.
Oh shoot, it is. Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
it's just a dart block. Yeah, it's
You got a dart block? That's just a street car.
Well, I mean, a stock block. You know, they don't take much.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I broke the stock block on the Vortex.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh damn, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I think I was only running like 10 20s and 1030s
Really?
and the block broke.
Dang.
The crank came out and hit the radiator.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
On Span Road in
Yeah.
town. Me and my wife was going together and she had never gone in the car and we was going out there and it broke.
Of course, the one time you take her.
Yeah, had to call somebody to pull me home.
Oh man, that's super clean setup. This thing is a true full weight street car though,
It is actually.
and it moves. So
It's still a little too heavy.
Chris just got it running. Had to fix some fueling issues, but dang, it's running pretty good. It seemed like it left good.
Yeah, I think it should leave harder. I've gone 130s, but
Oh really? Here? That's pretty
no,
good.
not here
Oh.
in Pinwell.
Yeah. If you guys don't know, this track doesn't have the best surface. However, when they do private rentals and then the flashlight shootout, it was pretty sticky for the shootout too. The cars were, that's probably the best I've ever seen this track. It was at the shootout. So Enrique better go 9s today and quit messing around. Hey you. Yeah, you.
It's gonna go 8 today.
Chris is shooting for 8s today. It'll go, your car will go 8s.
Yeah.
Shoot, you just picked the 60 foot back up and you got an 8.
Yeah.
So we'll see what Chris' car does. He's gonna turn it up a little bit more. Waiting for Branson to quit messing around.
Yeah.
And then Enrique's going for 9s, right?
Going for 9s.
That's right.
Very close.
Hey, so what'd you change? Just the cam?
So yeah, did a cam swap on it. Obviously went a little smaller pulley on it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, went
More
with-
boost, baby.
A little more boost on it. And so and then we thought we had a head gasket issue, so we went ahead and just put new head gaskets
Nice.
and went
Might
ahead
as
and
well.
went ahead and put studs on it too. So
Nice.
Studded it.
Hell yeah. So DA's 4400 right now. A truck running 9s and 4400 DA, that's pretty legit, dude.
And that would be legit. I'm gonna get there. I think
No,
we
it's
got-
going or we're not leaving.
We're staying to it.
We ain't leaving. So Branson had it on like only, I think 12 pounds. He's just trying to figure it out. But he's got to get that thing to launch harder. It is very slow out of the hole. So we're gonna grab his slip, see what happened. So 10.8, 143. Like I said, only a 1.8 60 foot. So Branson's got to get this thing out of the hole. 10.8. It's a 143. That's pretty good for 13 pounds, 12 pounds, whatever he did.
Four-door, fat-ass sedan. You better up that shit.
But he's got a lot of room on the 60 foot to go. Oh, that's right.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's what this video's about.
Why'd you go here? 970s?
Yeah.
Yeah, we both
with
went 970s.
500 more DA.
So, better 60 foot, turned up 2,500 RPMs. We went 1760, 10.3, but only 141 that time.
Oh, boys, that's not enough.
Time to turn it up, Branson. Ooh, shout out Enrique, Easy MTZ on Instagram.
Holla! That line.
Oh, that truck is so sick. Look at this Pro Mod shit! Look at this carbon fiber dash, jeez. Wow. That's a street car if I've ever seen one. You think it'll go 10s today?
I don't know.
Alright, so Branson's been having trouble getting the car to leave, so he just turned it up to 2,900 RPM. There's Kevin being a troll. 2,900 RPM. He's still got the boost really low though. He needs to turn the boost up and quit messing around.
Hey, we had to foot brake when I ran 97, so.
So Branson's gonna give it a little more out of the hole. If it hooks, he's gonna turn it up.
problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the